I'm Amy Anderson for OptionRally TV. Let's see what's going on in the markets today, Friday, December 6, 2013. The ECB and BoE key interest rates at record lows. Apple seals a deal with China Mobile. Traders wait for the U.S. non-farm payroll data due later today. Let's take a quick look at what is happening in the global markets. Investors continue to worry about the upcoming Federal Reserve meeting as odds markers increase the likelihood that the FOMC will begin its tapering process sooner than later after steady economic data showed that the U.S. recovery is well underway. In the U.S., GDP climbed to 3.6% from an expected 2.8%, and the number of Americans filing for unemployment tumbled. The Dow Jones Industrial Average and the S&P 500 both ended lower for a fifth consecutive day. The Nasdaq has also declined on 3 of the past 4 trading days. On the corporate front, Apple shares rose following a report that the company has reached a deal with China Mobile to sell Apple's iPhone. China Mobile is the world's largest mobile carrier. In foreign exchange markets, decisions of the Bank of England and the European Central Bank to maintain rates at their current levels, as well as the latest budget from the UK government, which saw growth forecasts revised higher, helped move currencies yesterday. The euro was steady near a 5-week high against the USD. The common currency last bought 1.3667, having climbed more than 0.5% on Thursday to 1.3677, a level that has not been seen since October 31st. Against the yen, it held steady at 139.17. The dollar index, which measures the greenback's value against a basket of currencies, struggled to gain traction in the wake of the euro's bounce. The dollar index stood at 80.286, staying near a 5-week low. Moving to commodities, gold was flat this morning after a choppy trading in the previous session and was headed for a weekly decline as improving U.S. economic data raised fears of an early end to monetary stimulus. Investors are now awaiting U.S. non-farm payroll data, which could provide more clues on the timing of the tapering of stimulus measures in the world's largest economy. Gold was up 0.2% to $1226.45. Oil prices were mixed in Asia this morning as dealers took profits from recent gains after U.S. economic and stockpiles data indicating increased demand in the world's biggest economy. Crude oil was down 1 cent at 97.37. I'm Amy Anderson. Follow me Monday through Friday right here on my channel, at OptionRally.com, and on my Facebook page. Have a great weekend and a wonderful holiday season.